Back in 2018, I was rejected from a job that I really, really wanted. The job scope seemed so ideal, and I thought it was a perfect fit for me. I poured so much of myself into the application and the interview process. And the interview went really well, so I thought I was a sure in. However, I received a rejection, and I was so disappointed and upset. After sitting in my sadness and embracing the rejection, I kept on keeping on. And with time, new opportunities came around. Hi, I'm Grace, and I graduated from NUS in 2016. I currently work at the National Volunteer and Philanthropy Centre as a Community Partnerships Associate. During that period, I had 3 realizations that helped. The first was an acceptance that as much as I thought that this was the job for me, it wasn't. A relationship takes 2 hands to clap. I think it's the same with employment. Since I was rejected from the job, I must not have been as suitable for the role as I thought I was. And it would have been worse to end up someplace where I didn't fit. The second is an understanding that the job hunting process is an opportunity for character development. The role I applied for was a communications job. So in preparation for the interview, I studied a range of communications techniques. I'm grateful that the skills I learned in preparation for the interview still stay with me today. Finally, I realized that the job hunting process was a chance to be more mindful of my strengths. It was empowering to reflect upon the experiences and skills that I had gained through the years. To all my NUS juniors out there, I want you to know that disappointment is part of the journey, and I hope that you find the courage to keep going despite whatever the world throws at you.